Hi, welcome to my channel again. Today I have this mail and I don't remember as usual what I ordered. So now I'm just gonna open it. It looks so small. Well, not really small. Okay. Oh, look at that, so sticky. What is this? Let's just see the inside. Oh, there you go. Ah, look at that. I think this is a doorbell for my front door or on the fence. So when people come, they can just press the bell. And I believe this one is wireless. Wireless, I think. Right? What is this? That's the volume. Oh, maybe the sound, I guess. There is instruction and there is a sticky thing to stick it, I guess, like that. Or screw it somewhere. And there's this instruction, so it will help me how to install this. There you go. Although it's down, there is an English instruction. There is a Chinese, so I can put the English one. Okay, so that's it. That's the package for today. It's the doorbell. I don't want to open it. Oh, how do they press it though? When they're gonna... Oh, maybe this is the wireless thing. And this is the bell. Ding, 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 ding. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, there you go. A doorbell. Next time, it's gonna be more interesting than this, I hope. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye now, have a good one.